Welcome back to Motivotalks, where tiny steps build giant lives. Where every sunrise carries a message, you are one habit away from a completely different story. Today, we're diving into a game-changing concept: how to make a habit irresistible. Think about this. What if you didn't have to force yourself to do something? What if it just came naturally? That's what today's topic is all about. We're going to explore how to make habits that you don't need to fight against, but instead, ones that pull you in, ones you look forward to. Imagine waking up every day excited to follow through on the positive changes you've been striving for. That's the power of irresistible habits. Every habit begins with a simple spark, a cue. It could be a notification on your phone, a feeling you have when you walk into a room, or even a thought that crosses your mind. It's a reminder that activates your brain, telling you, it's time. The cue, whether it's external or internal, every habit begins with a simple spark, a cue. It could be a notification on your phone, a feeling you have when you walk into a room, or even a thought that crosses your mind. It's a reminder that activates your brain, telling you, it's time. The cue, whether it's external or internal, signals your brain to take action. Let's take a small, seemingly insignificant example. Your phone buzzes, and immediately, your fingers reach out to check it. That's a cue. But here's the secret: after the cue, there's something deeper. It's not just the action, it's the craving that follows. The craving is the emotional pull. It's the feeling you get when you see a message and wonder, who could it be? What's new? Then, you move to the response, the action itself. The response is you picking up the phone, unlocking it, and checking the message. The response is where the habit takes shape. And when the habit ends, you're rewarded. It could be that little rush of dopamine that you feel when you see a friend's message. It's the reward, that feeling of satisfaction, comfort, and connection. And now here's the thing, every habit is a cycle. Cue, craving, response, reward. Break that cycle, and the habit breaks. But strengthen it, and the habit strengthens. Make it a habit to reinforce the cycle every day, and over time, it becomes part of you. Let me take you deeper into this with a story. There was a young man, Ahmed. Every January, Ahmed made the same resolution: this time, I'll be consistent. This year, I'll stick to my goals. But by January 4th, he was already back to his old habits. The gym. He lasted just 3 days. So why couldn't he follow through? Because Ahmed wanted to build habits, but he didn't understand the importance of building a system. One day, Ahmed asked his coach, "What's the secret to consistency?" The coach gave him a simple answer: it's not about the gym membership. It's about the gym bag. That's right. Ahmed was trying to change everything at once. The coach said, place your gym bag in sight every night. When you wake up and see it, that's your cue. Then, in the morning, pick it up. That's your response. Months later, Ahmed wasn't just going to the gym, he was the type of person who never missed a workout. The gym bag had become his cue. The system had become his habit. It was no longer a struggle. It was just a part of him. Here's the truth about habits: to make a habit truly irresistible, the first step is simple: make it obvious. Don't hide your habits. Bring them into view. You want to read more? Place the book right on your bed. Want to drink more water? Keep a bottle at your desk. Need to pray on time? Keep your prayer mat visible. The more obvious the cue, the more likely the habit will stick. If the cue is hidden, the habit will fade. Think about it. James Clear's habit stacking rule is simple: after current habit, I will new habit. So, after you brush your teeth, read 1 page of a book. After breakfast, do 10 push-ups. After your evening prayer, take a 10-minute walk. These tiny steps stack together, and before you know it, you've built a massive transformation. And the best part? You barely even noticed. But here's something that people often overlook: we don't follow routines because of goals. We follow them because of emotions. The trick to making a habit irresistible isn't about trying to force it. It's about making it fun. Making it attractive. James Clear says, a habit becomes powerful when it becomes enjoyable. Working out feels like a chore? Add some music. Studying feels boring? Get yourself a beautiful notebook and a high-quality pen, and maybe some calming music. Walking feels too mundane? Listen to your favorite podcast. If you make the habit attractive, it will naturally pull you toward it. Let's talk about the next rule: make it easy. People often make their habits too difficult. They think that to get results, they need to push harder. But in reality, you need to make it easy. The less effort you have to put into a habit, the more likely you are to stick with it. The 2-minute rule is simple but powerful. Any habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Want to read for an hour? Start with 1 page. Want to run 5 kilometers? Start by putting on your running shoes. Want to create a perfect routine? Begin with just 2 minutes. This rule shifts your mindset from "I want results" to "I want to show up." Show up, and keep showing up. Day by day. Everything else will fall into place. Here's another story for you. Sarah, a college student, had a problem with procrastination. She wanted to study daily, but she kept pushing it off. One day, she decided to apply the 2-minute rule. She told herself, "I'll just read 2 pages." Those 2 pages turned into 5, then 10, then eventually 50. And over time, Sarah's productivity skyrocketed, and all she had to do was start. The human brain responds to rewards. If the reward feels good, the habit sticks. It's that simple. Whether it's a habit tracker, a checkmark, or just feeling good about accomplishing something, rewards fuel consistency. Take Bilal, an office worker, who wanted to get healthier but didn't enjoy going to the gym. What did he do? He added a reward. After each workout, he would listen to his favorite podcast. Suddenly, going to the gym became something he looked forward to, not something he dreaded. His motivation wasn't coming from sheer willpower anymore, the habit itself had become enjoyable. There's a method in Japan called pointing and calling. It's used in train stations where conductors loudly announce their actions: signal green, door locked, train ready. Why? To keep their brains engaged and to prevent mistakes. This method has been proven to reduce accidents by 85%. The lesson? Automate your habits. Mechanize them. repeat them every day. Consistency will follow. Finally, let's talk about small wins. Every time you win, even in a small way, your brain gets a hit of dopamine. That dopamine motivates you to keep going. The power of small wins is that they build momentum. Each small step you take fuels the next one. Changing your life isn't hard. Changing your system feels hard. But once your system changes, everything else falls into place. Habits are the invisible architecture of your life. You don't build habits, habits build you. As we wrap up today's discussion on how to make habits irresistible, remember, the key isn't in trying harder, but in making it easier, more enjoyable, and a part of your everyday life. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Habits are the building blocks of a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you're feeling inspired, start today. What small step will you take to build your irresistible habit? Let us know in the comments. Keep striving, and always remember you're one habit away from a whole new story. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep building that better life, one step at a time.